The first thing to do here is to write out the chemical equation showing the reaction between calcium trioxocarbonate 4 and hydrochloric acid. Let's see if we have a balanced chemical equation. Number of atoms of hydrogen here is 1, and then the product side we have 2. So we're adding 2 here to make hydrogen balanced. For chlorine we have 2 in the reactant side, product side 2 as well. Calcium 1 in the product side, carbon and oxygen 3 on both sides. So we have a balanced chemical equation. So from here we proceed to attempting the question. In the question we have to determine the volume of the gas evolved. The gas evolved here is carbon dioxide. We are given the number of moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 and the number of moles of hydrochloric acid. So since carbon dioxide will be evolved from calcium trioxocarbonate 4, we'll be making use of the number of moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 only, neglecting the number of moles of hydrochloric acid in our calculations. So let's proceed. According to the equation here, 1 mole of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 will yield 1 mole of carbon dioxide. The number of moles here is gotten from the coefficient of the substance in the chemical equation written above, and that is the reason we need a balanced chemical equation, else we'll be having a wrong value. Having stating that, then the next thing is to calculate the number of moles of carbon dioxide that will be yielded if we have 0.075 moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4. So here I will say 0.0075 moles of calcium trioxocarbonate 4 will yield X moles of carbon dioxide. Here I could have just concluded that the number of moles of carbon dioxide that will be produced is 0.0075 as well, but we are taking this process because of situations in which we do not have the coefficient to be the same. I mean the number of moles based on the equation to be the same. So here I'll say S equals 0.0075 multiplied by 1 divided by 1, and that is 0.0075. we have moles. Now we've just gotten the number of moles of carbon dioxide that will be evolved. So let's proceed to determine the volume of the gas, that is the volume of carbon dioxide, and to get that we'll be making use of the formula, which is moles equals volume divided by amount at s.t.p, and the amount at s.t.p is the molar volume of a gas, and in the question it is given to be 22.4 dm cube. We've gotten the moles to be 0.0075. so let's proceed to make volume the subject. From here we can say volume equals moles multiplied by amount at s.t.p. Volume of carbon dioxide, that is the gas produced, equals the number of moles, which is 0.0075, multiplied by the amount at s.t.p, the molar volume of gas, 22.4. Calculating this, we have 0.168, our unit in dm cube. We can convert this to centimeter cube, multiplying by 1000, so we have 168 centimeter cube, which should be serving as the final answer. So with this, we've come to the end of the solution to the question, and we've gotten the volume of the gas evolved at s.t.p to be 168 centimeter cube. That will be all. Do not to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.